is a wonderful place for a poetry reading, don't you think? Poetic enough for you.
Yes.
A little supper? Maybe some champagne?
I'd rather just, get it over and done with.
Very well. Then why don't you come down here and let's get it over and done with?
I prefer to do it standing.
Oh,
You don't have to stand, I mean. It's sometimes that... It's quite long. And I'd like you to be comfortable. It's quite modern, what I do, and it may feel a little strange at first, but I think if you're open, then you might enjoy it.
I'm sure I will.
The sky! The sky will be blue. Birds... Oh, and the moon. Come on. Come on. I think... Oh, the mountains are shaking. Oh, rickety-ticky-ticky. What?
Is everything all right?
A little nervous. It's just sometimes it takes a while for, you know, inspiration to come.
Oh, yes. Let Mummy help. Hmm? Does that inspire you?